Sometimes we find ourselves ready to send an email or reply to one, but the timing just isn't right. It could be due to being in a different time zone, or perhaps the recipient is on vacation. Maybe you often find yourself stuck in the office, struggling to hit the send button at the perfect time before calling it a day. Well, those days are over. Scheduling emails in Zoho Mail is the perfect solution to ensure that your message is received and seen by the recipient at the right date and time. Whether you're a night owl or a weekend warrior, scheduling your emails allows you to live a more organized, flexible, and efficient life. Let's take a look at the steps involved in scheduling emails in Zoho Mail. Log into your Zoho Mail account. Select New Mail. Compose your email. Select Send Later from the top menu of your Compose window. Click on Schedule. Choose your preferred date and time or custom set your preferred date and time. Finally, select Schedule and Send. Your email will now be stored in the outbox until the scheduled time. That's how simple it is to schedule your emails. When you use this feature, you'll be amazed at the extreme convenience it offers and how essential it becomes in your daily life. Give it a try and you'll see how valuable scheduling emails can be. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more how-to helpful videos, be sure to check out our other videos in the playlist. Thank you for watching.